Oh, cowabunga, dudes! It's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles story today. Got a bit of news here. Variety has confirmed, alongside The Hollywood Reporter, separately, that Paramount Pictures are in the extremely very early stages of developing a brand new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie. This is going to be a reboot, apparently. This is not going to be a follow-up to Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Out of the Shadows, and it's going to be a straight-up reboot. Now, don't celebrate just yet, because a lot of what you hated about those movies came from Michael Bay, and Michael Bay is still going to be producing this project. So, look, unless Michael Bay just puts some money in, sits down, shuts his mouth, unfortunately, you're going to end up with something very, very similar to what we've already got. So guys, what do you think of this news? Do you want a reboot? For me, the original cartoon is one of my all-time favourites. It's something which truly holds a special place in my heart, and the same cannot be said for the new film. So I would be interested in seeing a reboot. I'm not going to say no, but like I say, with Michael Bay as producer, still attached under the Platinum Dunes banner, it's a massive shame that he's still going to be involved. I do not think that bodes very well. I think the aesthetic will still be much the same, and unfortunately a lot of the bombastic nature of the film, again, will still be the same. Guys, let me know your thoughts on this down below in the comment section. Do you think it's time for a reboot? To be fair, I think they just need to sit down and not make anything for a long time with this property. It's too fresh, you know, it came out in 2016. It's way too fresh. Anyway guys, drop your thoughts down below in the comment section. As always, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I've been Mr. H, and I will catch you in the next video.